Okay, good morning everybody. Another one of my videos, but this time I'm shooting the video, and my wife is gonna be doing the cooking, but with my recipe. This is my breakfast, my style of breakfast. Okay, this is how I like it. So we have garlic, a little bit of garlic, not too much. So I can go to work. Okay, tomato, and we have a onion. I like to mix the onion, green onion, with what do you call it?
Brown onion.
Regular onion.
Yeah.
And my signature is the cheese. Okay, we have a little bit of a feta cheese there. Okay, and bell pepper. Depends on the day what I feel like to throw in there. Okay, and that's my breakfast. So, oh, of course, eggs, and we always have this argument about how many eggs should we put in there. I go with 3, and the argument is 2 versus 3. So let's see who's gonna win today's argument. And it all depends what kind of day do you think you're gonna have. If it's gonna be me sitting in front of a computer working, from home, then definitely she wins, and you will go with 2 eggs. But if I'm gonna be outside running errands, then that's my day. I win. 3 eggs it is. Today's one of those days that we're gonna go with 3 eggs. Okay, and that's it. So we got the onion. We let the onion
Just brown a little.
yes, just change the color to brown a little bit, not too much, so we still have that nutrients that we get from onion. Because if you overcook it, it tastes awesome, but you don't have the vitamins and the minerals that onion offers. Okay. Next, well, I'm gonna pause it. We're gonna let this cook a little bit. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, while it's cooking, she started, cutting the garlic, and this is not my favorite part, even though I'm pretty good with knives. But when it comes to having the knife close to my fingers, I get scared. So she did some kind of a trick here. In other words, you're squeezing. Can you show them one more? Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, so what she did was you're smashing the. There you go. Well, garlic, and it makes it easier to cut, and it brings out the juice, the nutritional part of the garlic, and makes it much healthier. It's gonna smell richer, but it's gonna be much healthier. And I end up having extra garlic today, just to show that. Nice. Go. Yeah, this looks much better. Bell pepper. I like to leave the greens for last, because after this is done, okay, it looks like it's already brown. We can go ahead and put that, but I like to leave the greens last, because I don't want to cook the greens. Okay, fresher better. Go for it. It's ready to go. I'm the chef today. Okay. No. Now we go with the tomatoes. There you go. Mix it good. Cheese is coming up. And then we get the cheese after. But well, so far up until now, I was putting the cheese before the egg, but she's insisting on putting putting the cheese after the eggs. Okay, well, hold on. Since this is my breakfast, let's do it my way. I want to cook the cheese, before the egg. It makes it a little bit brownish. Okay, that's and it melts it just enough for it to give that taste in your mouth, cheese taste in your mouth. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, I don't want to. Well, I usually like it small, and you know what? My favorite tool, okay, for this is, I'll show you while she's doing that. This is it, right here. Mixes everything. I don't have to cut it. When I make my breakfast, it takes me, I would say, about 10-15 minutes. Only 5 minutes of, mixing the ingredients, chopping them, and then it's ready to go. And throw it in the pan and ready to cook. But ladies like the way to do things the way they want to do it, especially it's their kitchen. So there's an old saying, there can't be two ladies in one kitchen. Or two cooks in one kitchen. It's gonna be a chaos. All right. By the way, I want to show you guys that my first mistake when I just started cooking, doing breakfast for myself, was the fire. The fire should be this much, not too high. Well, actually less than medium. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not too high. Why? Because so you have time to mix the ingredients and don't overcook it. Okay. And of course, while we were gone, we had the argument again about the 2 versus 3, but thanks to you guys, thanks to the video, I won. So we're gonna go ahead and mix 3 eggs. And my favorite ingredients that I mix with the eggs is salt. I usually use the Himalayan salt, okay, and black pepper, and of course my favorite, turmeric. I like this brand, but you can use any type of turmeric. Okay, it gives that kick, and of course it does a body good. Okay, and we mix it all together, and we are ready to go. Nice. While it's cooking, I want to talk about the video itself. I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. Usually I don't like to leave the comment section open because my kids sometimes go on it and check to see who has what to say, maybe some ideas of what kind of video you guys want us to do. By the way, we're not a professional cooks. But my whole family loves to cook, but to get back to the comment portion, I am gonna leave the comment section open to have a discussion, but please keep in mind that my kids, and I'm sure some other kids would be reading the comments and following the video. So let's keep it clean and simple, professional. So just thought I should share that with you guys, because not on my videos, but on a lot of the videos that I see, I get pissed that when they leave those dirty comments. Some people, they don't realize that the kids might read them. So just something to think about. All right, it's cooking slowly, and of course we have another small argument every time we cook this. She likes to have it well done. I like to have it a little bit raw, but she believes that the eggs that we get in the United States is not the eggs that we're supposed to. It's not. It has too many GMOs and God knows what else. So that's why, just to be on the safe side, she overcooks almost everything, just to be safe. But I'm sure we all know that overcooking doesn't taste that good. So it's up to you. Okay, it looks beautiful, ready to go, and I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay, and as a matter of fact, I like to eat from, she usually puts it in the plate, but I like to enjoy it right from the pan, because it stays warm, and it tastes better. I don't know, that's just me. And it's just me, myself, and I when I start eating. Have fun. And start cooking, guys, the way you want it. No boundaries.